guys, welcome to Athena Tutorials. This is Nagashri Bharadwaj. Today let's solve the question number 7 of exercise 11.2. Let's look into the question. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 cm and 30 cm in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. In this question, they are saying that there is a floor in a building and the floor consists of 3000 tiles and the tile is of shape rhombus. The diagonals of rhombus shaped tiles are 45 cm and 30 cm in length. We need to find the total cost for polishing the entire floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So, to find the total cost, we need to know the total area of the floor. Right? Then only we can get to know the total cost. Here, we can easily find the area of one tile since they have given the length of the diagonals. They have said that the diagonal is of shape rhombus. What is the formula to find the area of rhombus? That is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. We know the values of both the diagonals, right? That is 45 cm and 30 cm. Hence, we can find the area of one tile. And by finding the area of one tile, we can find the area of the entire floor, that is 3000 tiles. So, let's get started now. So, area rhombus. Why I am taking rhombus? Since they have given the shape of the tile as rhombus. Or you can take one tile. Is equal to half into, this is tile, diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Half into, the value of diagonal 1 is 45 cm. And diagonal 2 is 30 cm. So 2 ones are 2, 15s are 30. So 45 into 15. I'll do it here. 45 into 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22 and 1 5s is 5, 1 4s is 4. So this is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6. So 675 centimeter square. So the area of one tile is 675 centimeter square. The complete floor has 3000 tiles. So, the area of one tile we got to know that is 675 cm square. Now, let's find the total area, that is the area of 3000 tiles. So, one tile is equal to 675 cm square. So, 3000 tiles is equal to how much? So instead of question mark, I'll take it as x. Let's do the cross multiplication. So 1 into x will be 1x and 675 into 3000. This multiplication is complex. So, instead of taking the entire 3000, let's take only 3 and at the end of the answer, let's add 3 zeros. I'll do the multiplication here. 675 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. So total will be 2025 plus 000 centimeter square. This is the total area. But observe carefully, in the question they have given the cost per meter square. The cost per meter square as ₹4, but we have the total area in centimeter square. So we need to convert the centimeter square into meter square. Okay, let's do it. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square will be equal to 10,000 centimeter square. I'll continue in the next slide. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square. So 2025,000 divided by 10,000, that is 10,000. So this 3 zeros gets cancelled. So we will get the answer is 202.5 meter square. This is the total area, that is 202.5 meters square is the total area of the floor. Now let's find the total cost. So we got to know they have given that 1 meter square is equal to 4 rupees, right? So 202.5 meters square will be how much? So instead of question mark, I'll mark it as X. Let's do the cross multiplication. So that will be 1x is equal to 202.5 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. This is 1. And 4 2s are 8. Since there is a point after a digit, we need to place a point after one digit. So the total cost for polishing the entire floor is rupees 810. Guys, if you have understood the problem, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Now let's look into the 8th problem. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium-shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Here they have given that there is a person named Mohan and he wants to buy a field which is of shape trapezium. This is the field and it is of shape trapezium. They have also mentioned that one of its sides along the river is parallel. It is parallel to and twice the side along the road. It is parallel. This is parallel to another side and this side is twice when compared to the other side, which consists of a road. This means this side, the river side, is twice that of the road side. Means if this side is x, this side will be 2x. I'll mark it here. If this side is x, this side will be 2x because this is twice. They have also given the total area as 10,500 meters square. Area is equal to 10,500 meter square and the distance between the two parallel sides. These are the parallel sides and distance between them is 100 meter. Okay, I'll mark it is nothing but the height. this distance is nothing but the height, so that is 100 meter. We need to find the length of the side along the river. We need to find the length of the side along the river, that is nothing but the 2x. We need to find the value of 2x. Now let's get started. So what is the formula to find the area of trapezium? So area of trapezium or the field. Since they have given the field is of shape trapezium, I am taking it as like trapezium. The formula is half into a plus b into h. What is a plus b? They are the parallel sides. If this is a, this will be b. If this is a, this will be b. Okay. So what is h? H is nothing but the distance between the two parallel sides. That is 100 meter. And we know the area. Let's substitute the values now. So area they have given us 10,500. Half into a is nothing but the x, b is 2x, and h is nothing but the distance. They have given it as 100. Let's solve now. So 10,500 is equal to half into 2x plus x is 3x into 100. 2 ones are 2 50s are. So this will be 3x is equal to 10,500 divided by 50, right? 0, 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10 and 5 ones are 5 0. So x will be equal to 210 divided by 3. Okay, this will be 3 ones are 3 7s are 21. So this 0. So it will be 70 meters. This is the value of x. We need to find the value of 2x. That is the side along the river. We need to find this side 2x along the river. We got to know the value of x. So let's do the multiplication. So x is equal to 70 meters. So 2x will be 2 into 70. That will be 140 meters. I hope you have understood this question. Let's go ahead with the last question for the day, that is 9th question. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. So octagon consists of how many sides? It consists of 8 sides. Okay. Here they have given that the top surface of a raised platform is of shape regular octagon. We need to find its area. Okay. In order to solve this problem, we need to break this figure. Okay. First, let's check what they have given. They have mentioned that the side of the octagon is 5 meter, which means all the sides is 5 meter. Since in octagon all the sides are equal, means all 8 sides are 5 meters. The distance from here till here, it is 11 meter. They have given that the distance from here till here is 11 meter and height is 4 meter. Let's break the figure first. I have done in the next slide. So I have split this figure into 3 parts. Okay. That is, let's look at the first part. How does it look? It's a trapezium, right? And the second one will be a rectangle, and third one will be again the trapezium, right? Just look into the figure. Okay, I've split this. This is one this one and the final one. So this is the trapezium and the middle one will be the rectangle and this last part will be the trapezium again. Okay. So let's find the area of the individual shape first. This individual shapes and then add. So we will get the area of the entire octagon. I'll show it here also. If you find the individual, first we need to find the individual areas. First this trapezium and then rectangle and this trapezium. And then we need to add all the areas, individual areas. Then we will get the entire octagonal area. So I'll write it here. Area of octagon is equal to area of trapezium plus area of rectangle plus area of trapezium. These two trapezium are same, so what I can do is 2 into area of trapezium plus area of rectangle. Okay, so now let's find the area of trapezium first. I'll continue in the next slide. Area of trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into height. Okay, since there are 2 trapezium, I'll take up 2 here. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So the formula will be left with A plus B into H. What is A and B? These are 2 parallel sides. Okay. So let's look into this trapezium first. This is 5 meter. Okay, since all the sides are 5 meters and this is B is nothing but the other parallel side, that is 11 meter and height is 4 meter. So 5 plus 11 into height is 4. So 16. 11 plus 5, 16 into 4. This will be 6 4s are 24. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 is 6. 64 meter square. Right. Now let's find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Look into this figure, this part. Okay, this is the rectangle. Length is 11 meter and breadth is 5 meter. So 11 into 5, that is 55 meter square. Hence the total area will be, I'll substitute the values here. So 2 into area of trapezium is 64 plus area of rectangle is 55 meter square. If we add these two, the total area will be 119 meter square. I hope you have understood today's session. If you have any doubt, please do comment below. So this is it for today's session. Let's meet up in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.